The warning i-ActivSense system malfunction in a modern Mazda vehicle means that there are issues connected with the front camera or radar. The i-ActivSense system relies on the camera located behind the windshield in the area of the rear view mirror. The camera is not protected against sunbeams, and if you leave your vehicle under the sun, even when the temperature is mild, the camera may overheat. Then when you start the car, your dashboard and also your mobile application will alert you that there is a malfunction in the i-ActivSense system. This is the most common culprit of this warning, and there is nothing you should do. Just let your vehicle cool down and the warning will disappear. Somehow the new generation of Mazda cameras are very sensitive to heat, but fortunately it doesn't kill them, it just deactivates the camera for some time. Also, if you have a damaged windshield, a damaged front bumper, a lot of dirt on the front part of your car, you may see this warning. Sometimes the message will tell you about calibration issues with the radar or camera, or about a faulty radar or camera, which is not a DIY repair. So if this message keeps popping up intermittently or permanently, the vehicle will need to be inspected with the help of a good scanner, or better in the dealership. But fortunately, Mazda radars and ACC cameras are not commonly faulty, and the most common issue is just a temporary glitch due to excessive heat.